Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the INTPW 9-in-1 USB-C hub. So this one is actually gray. They did finally make a darker color variant. I also have the black one here, but we're not going to be unboxing that one because it's the same thing. There's no point. They're both 9-in-1. I do want to thank INTPW for sponsoring this video. Once again, they've been an awesome support to the channel. Now, if it does sound like I'm sick, I am highly more sick than I was the last time I recorded. So just bear with me with the sniffling and stuff. If you guys want to do a sniffle counter, go for it. This is a 10 gigabyte per second hub. It does have USB-A ports as well as one USB-C port, and then these two are going to be for charging. I believe these two ports will allow you to charge your device, either your laptop or your phone, so there is that. The cable is about 3.3 feet, which is a decent amount of size. I probably don't even need to do much because I've already got one of these at my desk, so I'll probably just unplug these and plug those in. It does say it's Thunderbolt. Supports Thunderbolt, USB, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and Type-C. It does support fast charging, fast data transfer. It is heat resistant. It is a powered USB hub. There's not really much else to talk about here. It does support up to 45-watt fast charging, so that'll charge your phone no problem, and your MacBook Air should be fine. Your MacBook Pro might struggle a little bit. I have a MacBook Air, so I'd probably be fine. I don't use it for that reason, though, so I don't really care. It does have an ergonomic design so that when it's sitting at the desk, you can easily plug things and unplug it without having to move too much, which is awesome. The power adapter is actually 65 watts. We'll verify that once we take everything out of the box. So that's really about it. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. They also do actually use recycled material for their boxes, which is awesome. One thing I would like to point out, if you are watching this INTPW, if you could put a color somewhere here so they can check it off, because I honestly didn't know which one was which. I had to open this one, and I got lucky that this was the gray one, because it's basically impossible to figure out what color is what. Now, there is a chance I'm going to be giving one of these away. This is not sponsored by them. This is my own thinking, because I have a lot of these USB-C hubs, so I'd rather just give one away. If I am going to be giving one away, stay till the end, and we will talk about it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. Right off the bat, we get a user manual. Nothing special, just shows you all the ports and stuff, shows you what they can do, gives you a contents page. As you can see, it's got all this stuff here. It shows you the weight, the dimensions, the cable length, the material, the outputs for each port, which is super cool. So if you guys want to read this, you definitely can. I'm not going to go over it too much. It also has it in different languages as well. Here's the actual port itself. I am super excited because I have been waiting for a darker variant, because their silver looks great, but for gaming setups, this would be better. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks awesome. The finish is amazing. Like I said, they make awesome products. They feel very rugged. If you guys actually want to buy this, there will be a link in the description below, and I will also put a link to their Amazon store in the description below if you guys want to buy something from them as well. But you've got all these ports here. You've got 1, 2, 4 USB 3 ports that only go up to 5 gigabytes a second. Then these two do up to 10 gigabytes a second, along with this Type-C. And then these two are your power. Nothing on the back. If you guys do make another one of these by chance, like maybe a different color, because like having like pink and blue and yellow and purple, you'll reach that group of people who actually like different colors of things. Maybe put some micro SD card slots on the back, because I know it's not impossible given the fact that it's powered. Micro SD, SD card, and I mean, that would really be it. That's all you really need, because if you're using this at a desktop, all those other like the Ethernet ports and stuff will be available anyway. But yeah, that's the hub. There's not really much else to talk about this. It's an awesome finish. They make awesome products. It's also got rubber, so it doesn't move around a lot. It moves around, but not a lot. Like I said, INTPW makes some awesome products. I'm not going to undo any of this because I already have all of this hooked up at my desk, and I'm just going to use those. But you get your Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C, and you also get your power brick, which is 20 volts, 3,250 milliamps. But if you guys want to check this out, there will be a link in the description below. I do want to thank INTPW for sponsoring this video once again. If I do leave the portion of this video about the giveaway in the video, then the product will be giving away. It'll probably be this one or the black one, depending on how I feel. If you would like to win one of these, it's either going to be this gray one or the black one that I have sealed here. I actually might open it just to make sure it's the black one. But if you guys would like to win it, there will be a link in the description below to the giveaway link. All you have to do is follow the instructions there, and you will either win or you won't. If you guys want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.